No, there are many books you have read in your life that they are no longer relevant. There is always a new edition. Do you understand? Because the one that you read, the one that you used in school, they are no longer relevant. But the Bible is that book that no matter the innovation, no matter the technology, they will be meeting Bible in front, because the writer of the book came from eternity. That's why the Bible has timeless effect. Okay, come to think of it, there are books written by human authors. Now, I'm not talking of Bible now. Christian literatures, they were written many years back, 100 years back, that when you read them, you'll be saying, wow, the book outlived them, and yet the book did not lose its relevance. That is what comes from anything you take out of the Bible that you are inspired to write. Even if it is song, if that song is scriptural, it will always be relevant.